It's 2026 and the rules to get access to Adobe Premiere Pro have officially changed. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get access to the Adobe Creative Cloud Pro 2026 version and download Adobe Premiere Pro, which is going to include the brand new Adobe Firefly Video Model. And the cool part about this is it uses the new Sensei AI framework. The last video we made for you guys to get access to Adobe Premiere Pro got over 19,000 views, but it's been nearly a year now and a few things have changed, so I wanted to create an updated video for you guys to show you how to access the new Adobe website and show you how to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. To get started, head down below this video and click on the link. This is going to take you across to the official brand new Adobe website. Then we're going to head up to the top left hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products I want you to select Premiere. Now we're going to be on the new Premiere Pro page, and the exciting thing about the new Premiere Pro is that you get access to the Firefly deep integration. Because if you aren't using the 2026 AI engine that Premiere Pro gives you access to, then you're basically going to be editing your videos with Windows Movie Maker. Now this new Firefly Video Model as of March 2026 is included in Premiere Pro, even in the trial version that you're going to get access to. So let's scroll down and have a look at all the new AI features that you get access to inside of Premiere Pro. And there's so many new features that you need to understand, but I'll just go through a few. I really want you to try the new text-based editing feature, which is going to save you mountains of time. You can now balance your color super fast using the AI engine. You can also use the new AI engine to auto fit your audio clips to your edit. Super powerful. Some epic eye-catching effects that you can use to redesign shape masks in Premiere Pro. And a great part of the animated titles is you can now quickly translate captions into a whole lot of different languages. If you want to explore any of the other life-changing AI features you get inside of Premiere Pro, then you can have a look at all of them here, including the new fast track and how you can mask using the AI engine, describe it and find it using the media intelligence, the new text-based editing that I mentioned earlier, adding clarity to enhance the speech in your videos, and syncing up the music to your edited clips with a one tap into AI to automatically retime your music. Now at the bottom of the page, you're going to see two different options for your Premiere Pro trial. There is the Premiere Pro only app option and the Creative Cloud Pro option. Now this is completely up to you, but we like to try all of the Adobe apps all at once inside of the new Creative Cloud Pro 2026 version that we mentioned to you earlier. So we're going to click on that free trial button, and then we get to choose our subscription. There is a monthly option, there's an annual build monthly that might or might not have the special that is currently showing, and then there's the annual prepaid. Now depending on when you watch this video, this pricing might be a little bit different and you might not have this exact special at the time that you watch this video, but choose which one works best for you. The annual build monthly, just be careful if you do cancel early, then there are a whole lot of fees to apply. If you go for the monthly only, yes, it is more expensive, but you can cancel at any time. Now the standard is a 7-day free trial, but what I do want you to know is with Adobe's new extended safety policy, you do get 14 days before you're allowed to cancel. Now this is not a hard and fast rule, but I did want you to know about it. To stay safe, you can make your decision within the first 7 days whether you want to carry on with the subscription or whether you want to cancel. If you want to add in the Adobe stock and get 10 free standard Adobe stock assets included in your trial, then you can click that button to include them, and then click the blue continue button to go to the next page. On the next page, we're going to enter our email address, and then before you enter your payments information, just double check the options that you have selected, and then just check that your due now is in fact 0, so you're getting access to that 7-day free trial, and then check the date that your 7-day free trial ends. This is going to be different for you guys, so make sure you check that before you go on to the next step. Once you've completed the next step, then the Creative Cloud Pro 2026 version will download on your computer, and then you can download your Premiere Pro free trial from there. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or if you have any questions about any of the Firefly deep integrations or any of the new AI models that you're getting access to, then let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy the brand new Premiere Pro as much as we do.